Kickstarting your data science career.
Data science is one of the most sought-after fields in tech, promising opportunities to work with big data, artificial intelligence, and analytics. Starting out can feel overwhelming, but knowing the right entry points and skills can make all the difference. Let's explore the best entry-level data science roles and what it takes to land your first job in 2024.
Popular entry-level data science job titles.
The common entry-level data science jobs include data analyst, junior data scientist, business intelligence analyst, data engineer intern, and machine learning intern. These roles typically involve gathering, cleaning, and interpreting data, building reports, and sometimes supporting machine learning projects. Understanding the duties attached to these job titles helps you target your applications and build the right skills.
Skills and requirements for beginners.
Most entry-level data science jobs require a strong foundation in statistics, basic programming skills, often in Python or R, and experience working with data in spreadsheets or SQL. Familiarity with data visualization tools like Tableau or Power BI is a plus. While a degree in a related field can help, many employers value hands-on experience, personal projects, and enthusiasm for learning new technologies.
Building your experience and portfolio.
To stand out, work on personal projects using real-world datasets, contribute to open-source projects, or complete internships. Showcasing your analysis and problem-solving skills on platforms like GitHub or through a personal website is highly effective. Online courses and boot camps can help you build skills rapidly, but practical experience matters most to employers hiring for entry-level data science roles.
Tips for landing your first data science job.
Customize your resume to highlight relevant coursework, projects, or internships. Network with professionals through online communities or local meetups, and consider joining data science competitions or hackathons to demonstrate your abilities. Prepare for interviews by practicing coding tasks and explaining your thought process when solving data problems. Persistence and continuous learning are key to breaking into data science in 2024.